How to improve your credit rating. You may already know of the three major credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Each of them has their own information about your credit, so to maintain a good credit report, you have to use all three. You can get your credit report from all three for a small fee, or you can get a yearly free credit report from one. It's good to have knowledge of your own credit history because creditors already have access to it. With that information, a creditor can deny you a home loan, car loan, and you can be turned down for low-cost life insurance. So knowing your three credit reports can be a shortcut to save you time when applying to services which you won't receive. Another reason to always know your credit report and score is it can show if you're being defrauded in some way. It will also tell you if your identity has been stolen and someone has been operating accounts in your name. If you're the victim of fraud, it can be a hassle to get those charges removed from your report. In a fraud case, the agencies will report proof of your identity, address, work history, and even still, it would take a long time. Today, most financial fraud is done online by hackers, so getting the jump on questionable activity in your report is vital. Fraud aside, a simple way to improve your credit score is to open a credit card account and pay off your previous charges regularly. If you can't get approved for a credit card, try getting a small loan from a local loan company and make your payments on time. Also, being on time with utility, phone, and medical bills will help your rating by keeping negative reports off. These small steps will prove that you can be trusted with future credit. In the long run, it's worth it to keep good credit as it will qualify you for better interest rates and larger lines of credit. Did you find this video helpful? Then please leave us a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.